Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like your mojo was off? Like something just wasn't right? You ever felt like you're not grounded on your square? Has this happened after being bothered with people? Chances are somebody is testing your patience, aka somebody's crossing your boundaries. Now which boundaries you at Now which boundaries you may ask? Your mental boundaries, playing mind games with you. Your emotional boundaries, meaning they're tugging on your heartstrings in one way, shape, form, or fashion or another. And your physical boundaries, like somebody being in your personal space. Now, having boundaries is a key factor in life. A lot of times when you have your boundaries set, a lot of people are going to try to, flip the script on you, say you're being selfish or cold. So to that, I say, fuck their feelings. Nobody really cares about your feelings, so fuck their feelings. Because let's face it, most people are just out for whatever they could get in this lifetime. So why shouldn't you be? Now, boundaries, they help protect your mental health. A lot of times people are going to try to get inside your head and, do whatever they can, to get under your skin. So by having that boundary set, you're stopping them from doing so. Boundaries also show people what you will and will not tolerate, thus making them see how to treat you. Having boundaries will also prevent burnout just from, interactions with people. A lot of times we don't know when we need stronger boundaries in our lives. Now, here are some instances where that may be. Number one is saying yes when you really mean no. Yes, at the time when you might say yes, even though you don't really want to, you're temporarily making someone else happy, but at the same time you're kind of screwing yourself over, and that's not good. Number two is when you take time for yourself and you really don't want to be bothered and you let people guilt trip you. Or hell, even you could guilt trip yourself because you took time out for yourself and not doing for others or being there for them. That would lead to burnout. Number three is when people constantly drain your energy or they're always doing the most, like crossing lines. And yes, sometimes people don't understand exactly what they're doing wrong, but a lot of times they know exactly what they're doing. It's all manipulation tactics. And the last sign you need stronger boundaries are you feel overwhelmed, you feel unseen, and you feel taken advantage of. That means you need to set stronger boundaries. Now, there are ways you could start setting stronger boundaries. The first one is start putting yourself first more. Do what makes you happy. Do what matters to you. And once you do that, if you feel so inclined, then everybody comes next. But you have to put yourself first. Next way is when somebody pushes your buttons, you have to draw that line. Not in a rage type of manner, not angrily. Say it calmly, say it clearly, And that's just what it is. And stand on business after you do that. Because think about it. If you were to set a boundary and somebody, they kept pushing the limits of everything and you don't enforce it, that boundary is not really a boundary, if that makes sense to you. And a lot of times, once we start setting boundaries in place, it might feel a little bit awkward. And that's okay because your boundary is for you, it's for your personal growth. Growth isn't always comfortable. A lot of times, we have to just bear through the tough times, the awkward times, the off times. It's all a part of the growth curve. So now you set your boundaries and you started enforcing them. You standing on your business 10 toes down. What follows is more energy, more peace, and more alignment. And now while that alignment may not be with other people, oh well, so be it. You're more aligned with yourself. And like I said earlier in the video, yourself is what's going to come before other people, the same way they put themselves before they put you. Eye for an eye, right? Fuck it. Those who respect your boundaries will have better relationships with you because they're showing you respect by adhering to your boundaries that you've set. Those who don't adhere to your boundaries, they're showing blatant disrespect. And quite honestly, it is what it is. They don't respect you. You probably don't even want them around you or in your energy anyway, right? By setting your boundaries, you show confidence in your decisions that you make, in the direction that your life is going, because now you have your guidelines set in place. Now, while these may not be huge signs, the boundaries help build who you are from within, and that will eventually show in your actions. So to sum everything up, boundaries are not about keeping people out of your life or away from you. They're about keeping yourself in alignment with your life journey, with your path that you're on. It's not you being selfish. It's just about you putting your foot down. I want everybody to make a goal about one boundary that they're gonna set in place, and I want you to start it as soon as you finish watching this video. Let us know in the comments. I love to read it. I love the feedback. Let me know what boundary you're gonna put in place this week. Are you gonna stick to it? Let me know. If this video brought you value, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. I really would appreciate it. It helps out my channel so much. Everybody, take care, stay blessed, stay elevated. I'll see you in the next one. Salute.